I'm looking at this 1962 Corvette at Yellow Jacket Garage, watching Bryan as he produces another YouTube video relative to this 62 Corvette. Now, Bryan is moving away from a lot of his brake-related videos for this car, and he is beginning to move into engine work. And I just can't resist pestering him while he's trying to produce his videos. But he's a good sport about it, and he lets me videotape and take photos while he works on this magnificent car. A subsequent video that should be coming out in the near future, I hope, is some of his work getting into the valves and really preparing to work on the intake and distributor. So while he was playing around with this stuff, we were getting to where the number one cylinder was at top dead center and just making sure that everything was correct. Now, while doing this, we didn't expect it, but the harmonic balancer, the camshaft is dead center of this thing, and there was no cam bolt on the front of this harmonic balancer. And so kind of threw us off a little bit, or threw Bryan off a little bit. He didn't expect this right away, but he did know that there are certain small blocks, the 327s, that do not have this bolt right here in the center. So I think his next up video you should find very interesting, where I believe he's going to be going into this. So be looking out for Yellow Jacket Garage and Bryan's videos on this 62 Corvette relative to beginning some of the engine work. I think you'll like it.